Easy ways to generate passive income streams. Welcome to FinancialFlow, the channel that makes your financial dreams come true. Generating passive income streams is a financial strategy that can lead to increased financial security and freedom. By investing time and resources into various avenues, individuals can create sources of income that require minimal ongoing effort. We delve into several accessible methods to generate passive income, offering opportunities to build wealth, secure financial stability, and enjoy the benefits of financial independence. Whether through investments, online ventures, or creative pursuits, these easy-to-implement strategies empower individuals to make their money work for them, resulting in a more prosperous future. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. License intellectual property. License intellectual property is a savvy way to generate passive income. If you possess patents, trademarks, or creative content, you can grant others the right to use your intellectual property for a specified period or purpose in exchange for a licensing fee or royalty payments. This approach not only monetizes your intellectual assets, but also extends their reach and utility. Whether it's software, artwork, music, or innovative technologies, licensing allows you to profit from your creations without actively managing their distribution or marketing. It's a win-win, providing you with a consistent income stream while enabling others to leverage your valuable IP. Number 9. Stock photography. Stock photography offers a straightforward path to passive income. As a photographer, you can upload your high-quality images to stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. When customers purchase licenses to use your photos, you earn a portion of the sale price as royalties. This process allows you to continue earning money from your work long after it's been created. The more photos you contribute to these platforms, the greater your potential for recurring income. With the global demand for visual content, stock photography remains a viable and accessible option for photographers of all skill levels to generate passive income. Number 8. Create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a popular and accessible means of generating passive income. By producing engaging and valuable content within a specific niche, you can attract viewers and monetize your channel through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. As your channel grows, so does your passive income potential. Once you've amassed a library of videos, they continue to generate views and ad revenue even when you're not actively producing new content. With dedication and creativity, a successful YouTube channel can evolve into a substantial source of passive income, providing financial rewards while you pursue other interests or ventures. Number 7. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts are a simple yet effective avenue for generating passive income. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your idle cash to grow steadily over time. By parking your savings in a high-yield account, you can capitalize on compound interest, where your earnings generate additional earnings. This passive income source requires minimal effort, making it an ideal option for those who want to ensure their money works for them without the risks associated with investments. High-yield savings accounts provide both liquidity and steady returns, serving as a reliable foundation for building wealth with minimal involvement. Number 6. Automated dropshipping. Automated dropshipping is a modern method for creating passive income. It involves setting up an e-commerce store and partnering with suppliers who handle product storage, packaging, and shipping. When customers make purchases from your store, the supplier fulfills the orders on your behalf. This approach eliminates the need for inventory management and order fulfillment, reducing your workload. You earn a profit on the price difference between what customers pay and the wholesale cost from your supplier. With effective marketing and automation tools, you can scale your drop shipping business and generate passive income, allowing you to focus on growing your brand while the logistics run smoothly in the background. Number 5. Write a book or ebook. Writing a book or ebook is a timeless and rewarding method to establish a passive income stream. By creating valuable content within your expertise or passion, you can self-publish through platforms like Amazon Kindle or Apple iBooks. These digital formats allow your work to reach a global audience. As readers purchase your book, you earn royalties on sales indefinitely. The initial effort involved in writing and publishing can result in ongoing passive income, with revenue trickling in even while you're not actively writing. Over time, a library of ebooks can compound your earnings, making it a compelling and fulfilling way to generate income while sharing your knowledge or storytelling skills. Number 4. Create an online course. Creating an online course offers a dynamic route to passive income. If you possess expertise in a particular field, you can design and host courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable. Once your course is published, it can generate income through enrollments without your ongoing involvement. High-quality courses often attract a steady stream of students, allowing you to earn money while sharing your knowledge. You can even enhance your earnings by periodically updating or expanding your course offerings. With the global demand for online education, creating and selling courses represents an accessible and scalable way to harness the power of passive income streams while making a lasting impact through education. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, P2P, is a contemporary means to cultivate passive income streams. It connects individuals seeking to borrow with investors willing to lend money through online platforms like Prosper or Lending Club. As an investor, you can diversify your lending portfolio across multiple borrowers, spreading risk. In return, you earn interest on the loans you fund, generating passive income. P2P lending allows you to act as a banker, contributing to personal loans, small business financing, or other lending opportunities. While it does entail some risk, prudent lending choices can yield reliable returns, making it an attractive option to supplement your passive income portfolio. Peer-to-peer lending merges technological innovation with financial empowerment. Number 2. Real estate rentals. Real estate rentals stand as a time-tested and lucrative path to creating passive income. By investing in residential or commercial properties, you can secure a steady stream of rental income from tenants. This passive income stream not only covers property expenses like mortgage payments, maintenance, and taxes, but also generates profits, allowing your wealth to grow over time. Effective property management or property management services can help minimize your involvement, making it an almost hands-free income source. Real estate's potential for appreciation further enhances your overall wealth. With prudent investment choices, real estate rentals offer long-term financial security and the opportunity to diversify your passive income streams. Number 1. Invest in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a tried and true method for generating passive income. By purchasing shares in established companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, you earn dividends. These payments arrive at scheduled intervals, offering a predictable source of income. Reinvesting dividends can compound your returns over time, creating a snowball effect of wealth accumulation. Dividend stocks not only provide passive income, but also offer the potential for capital appreciation, further boosting your wealth. With careful selection and a diversified portfolio, investing in dividend stocks can be a reliable and accessible way to build a sustainable source of passive income. This is it for today's video.